Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. What bank does Venmo use in the US? I know that this is a question that a lot of people are wondering, so I'm excited to finally be able to give you the answer. Before I get into the details, I want to ask you a question. Do you know what a payment processor is? A payment processor is a company that handles financial transactions between businesses and consumers. Venmo uses a payment processor called Stripe to handle its transactions. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that your money is safe and secure. Stripe is a highly reputable company that is used by many other major businesses. In addition, using Stripe means that Venmo can offer a wide range of payment options to its users. For example, you can use Venmo to pay with your bank account, credit card, or debit card. Answer to the question. So, to answer the original question, Venmo does not use a specific bank in the US. Instead, it uses a payment processor called Stripe. I also want to add that Venmo is a very popular payment app. It is used by millions of people every day to send and receive money. If you are looking for a safe and convenient way to send and receive money, I highly recommend Venmo. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.